Grabe! Alam mo, iba talaga ang boses ng Pinoy! Kamusta naman, guys? Kamusta ang pakiramdam nyo after winning Veiled Musician?
Shocked, syempre. And actually, nakakagulat kasi na-realize namin after na lahat pala kami runner-up sa The Clash.
Yes.
Tapos, ngayon, nandito na kami. So, we're just super happy and we just feel grateful.
Yes, and sobrang unexpected yung feeling na we were able to compete again, and this time naman we're gonna represent the Philippines.
Yes. Sobrang saya. Sobrang looking forward na kami.
Yes!
Oo nga, parang kailan na pinag-uusapan natin yung pag-alis ninyo, di ba?
Ito talaga. Ito talaga.
Oo, dahil nanalo sila Arabelle, Garrett, and Thea, will represent the Philippines sa kauna-unahang Veiled Cup na gaganapin sa Korea lang naman! Guys, kamusta yung mga preparations ninyo?
Siguro sa preparation talaga, since international na Philippines na i-represent namin, talagang bibigay todo talaga namin po.
Super practice talaga kami. Super
Tunnel
practice.
vision.
Super practice. Yes.
Perfect.
Discipline and super focused. Yeah.
So happy for you guys.
Thank
Grabe.
you.
We're all praying for your journey and your success. Siyempre, pinapagdasal namin ang inyong kalusugan
Yes.
at ang inyong wisdom and overall energy para sa competition na ito.
Hindi, tsaka ako.
Congratulations! We're very, very proud of you.
Bilib ako sa tatlong to. Destiny nila to.